Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week's video is a little different than most if you've been following along. I'm actually not going to provide any description on the trail head, trail name, or anything other than it's located in Big Bear. Primarily because when I put out these videos for you guys, I'm the one who does the research. I put everything together and then I introduce it to you guys as a way to incentivize you if you live around the area or want to learn about the area, that you check it out. With that comes a responsibility of applying the Leave No Trace principles and just being mindful of the environment. In this case, I went to Big Bear and I reached out to somebody who lives there who gave me the information about this trail. This trail is not a very popular trail in Big Bear, though it is online, so if you search for it, you more than likely will find it and will find the information on it. But it doesn't feel right for me to publicize everything about this trail because I was not the one to put in the work and figure all this stuff out. With that said, if you are somebody who follows me on Instagram and I know you very well, we've spoken, I know you're gonna take care of the environment and all that stuff, by all means feel free to reach out. I'm happy to share the trail name with you. But again, for this specific video, I wanted to showcase the sunset and the specific point in Big Bear, but again, I won't be publicizing any other information about it. With that said, make sure you follow me on Instagram at @beautyiswild with 2 eyes, the YouTube channel at youtube.com/beautyiswild with 2 eyes, and the website at @beautyiswild with 2 eyes as well. Stick around, we have plenty of more content coming your way.